At 3 different places for Rotella T4 and everybody is out. They have like 2 gallons here and 2 gallons there, and luckily this Walmart has the synthetic blend T5. It costs a little more money, but they have exactly how many gallons I need. They have two and a half, that's 5 gallons, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they got 2 up there, 10, 11. So kind of lucked out on that, but supplies are running short. You see any Rotella T4, you better grab it, because they are running low on inventory. Word to the wise.